Reese with Adore Her Beauty, back with part 2, showing you how to create an ombre lip and saving you $60 from this viral ombre lip kit that everybody's buying, and a lot of people are actually unsatisfied with it. In the first video, I show you how to create the ombre lip using a lip pencil. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow we're going to use is included in this eye palette, which is SheGlam's Viva La Leopard. This is $6.88 at sheglam.com. We're going to be using this brown shade here, but you can use any warm brown shade of eyeshadow. The next thing we're going to use for our concealer step is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is about $8 at Walmart. You can get that CVS or your local pharmacy. And then last, we're going to coat with our LA Girl lip gloss. You can see I've been using these products. Like, all these products have been used, but the LA Girl lip gloss is only $1. You're also going to need a brush, so let's get started. So you're going to load your brush up with your eyeshadow. You're going to tap off the excess, and just like we did in part 1 with the lip pencil, you're going to line your lips. So the top lip has been lined. You're going to do the same thing with the bottom lip. And just like we did with the lip pencil, you're going to shade in the top and bottom lip without filling in the lip in its entirety. Next, you're going to go in with your Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This one is a little bit more thicker, richer in texture than the LA Girl. You're going to apply this in the middle of the top and bottom lip. You're going to take the excess product that's on your brush and use it to shade and blend. Once you are satisfied with your level of blending, you're going to add your lip gloss. You're going to get that same bead and add it to your lip. So this is the final look. 3 easy steps, 3 simple products, doesn't break the bank. So if you like this video, definitely comment below, and I will see you in the next video.